Welcome. Today I am with Honor 10X Lite and I will show you how we can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. So at the first we are going to lock our display, lock our smartphone, and as you can see here we got a lot of mess. So just prepare a good source of light because we have to see a very mess that we have on our display. As you can see here I got a couple of the fingerprints and other stuff. So when you got the good source of light, you have to open the box with your tempered glass. In my case, I'm using very cheap glass from AliExpress. It was around $1, so it's very cheap. And inside we can find two wipes, the wet and the dry, and for sure our tempered glass. And that's all. Sometimes you can also find in this box the stickers to take off piece from the dust from your display, but in this case I don't have it. It's another one from other company. And right now we have to open the wet wipe. And unfortunately this one is not wet. It comes dry, so you can use something like the window cleaner and apply it on your wipe. Just a little bit. Yeah, like that. Right now it's definitely wet. And we have to make moves in the circle, like that. You have to remember that you have to reach a very part of your display, especially corners and edges. Let's make it a few times and take a look. Right now our display looks definitely better. So we can use the dry wipe that we have to open like that. So let's make it. And as you can see right now, display is in an excellent condition. So we can start with install tempered glass. At the first we have to remove this sticker, and this sticker will follow also with the foil that is under tempered glass. So let's make it. As you can see, it comes very easy, but sometimes happen that this sticker doesn't follow with the foil. So you have to grab your sticker like that and put your fingernail underneath foil and remove it manually, just like that. Take a look the last time on your display and be sure that there is no dust or other mess on the screen, because when we put the glass on dust, we will get air bubbles and we don't want to get it, right? So let's put it, for example, like that. Be sure that everything is in good position. You have to keep holding the bottom part and positioning the upper section for the upper section of the display. I think that it looks good right now, so I'm going to hold here and put the bottom part. Right now I'm gonna remove these fingerprints and take a look. Right now it goes all automatically. You can move it like that with your finger to make it faster. And as you can see, it goes very well. We don't have any problems. And as you can see here I got one bubble, but we can easily remove it by using our fingernail and pressing just like that. Right now let's clean our glass because it's messy a little bit. Okay, let's use the dry one. We can also use additional paper towel to put it into better condition, so just like that. So as you can see right now it's finished and our display looks really nice. We can try if everything is fine. As you can see, there is no any problem with the touch interaction, so you don't have to be afraid of applying tempered glass on display and the Honor 10X Lite. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.